In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a smart drummer track in Soundtrap and customize it. We'll walk through setting up your beat quickly and cleanly so you can focus on making music. Start by heading to the Soundtrap website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, go straight to your projects page. This is where all your work lives, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Click to open the project you want to work on. Next, open the studio by selecting the studio option. This loads the main workspace where you can add and shape your tracks. When the studio is ready, look for the Add Track button and click it. A track type menu will appear. Choose Drums, then select Smart Drummer. This adds a virtual drummer to your session that can generate patterns for you automatically, saving you time while still giving you control over the feel. Now let's customize the groove so it fits your song. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Smart Drummer controls. Start with intensity. Think of this as how busy or energetic the beat feels. Lower intensity keeps things simple and relaxed. Higher intensity adds more hits, fills, and momentum. Set it based on the vibe you want, subtle for a laid-back verse or punchy for a chorus that needs lift. Next, adjust complexity. This changes how varied the pattern is over time. With lower complexity, you'll get steady, predictable rhythms that leave space for vocals or melodies. As you increase it, the drummer introduces more variation and detail, which can make sections feel more alive. A helpful approach is to begin in the middle, then nudge it up or down until it complements your arrangement. Finally, choose a genre or style preset. You'll see options like trap, hip hop, rock, and more. These presets instantly reshape the drum kit's sound and rhythmic character. Pick the one closest to your track's direction, then refine with intensity and complexity. For example, trap might lean into tight hats and deep kicks, while rock brings punchy snares and straightforward drive. You can switch between presets at any time to compare how they sit in your mix. Take a moment to balance these three controls together. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference. When the beat supports your song's energy and space, you've nailed it. That's it. You've added Smart Drummer and Soundtrap and tailored the groove using intensity, complexity, and genre. Keep exploring these settings to shape the perfect foundation for your track.